Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website.
In this video, we'll show you how to filter a Webi report. Let's start by going to Folders, then click on Public Folders, Enterprise Services, Finance, and then Space Management. We will open up the Space and Occupant Details Webi report. We'll click on the organizational unit, hit refresh at the top, click on Pediatrics, and run the report. We'll click on the three dots at the top, hit Open in Designer, and then click on OK. From here, we'll re-enter our organizational unit by clicking on Refresh Values. We'll click on Pediatrics, add it to the right, and then hit OK. We'll click on the Analysis tab at the top and then click on the Filter bar. We'll click on the icon here, then hover on Others, and we could filter the report by what we need. We'll select Building ID as an example. Then, we'll go further by using the drop-down menu here to select the main hospital Payson wing. We'll use the other drop-down menu to filter a certain floor value of what we chose previously. Notice that we can filter different values for what we select in our reports.
Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.